What's going on, everyone? This is Vince with VShred.com, and in today's video, I'm gonna take you through a simple 6-minute beginner HIIT workout, and you don't need any kind of equipment. It's body weight only.
I'ma keep on going up till the lights go down.
All right, so like I said, in today's video, I'm gonna take you through a 6-minute beginner HIIT workout where you're gonna be following along with me. It's gonna be 6 different exercises, and each exercise is going to be modifiable to make it just a little bit more difficult if it is too easy, and I'll tell you those modifications in a second. But each exercise is gonna be performed for 40 seconds on, and then it's gonna be followed by a 20-second rest. If you're halfway through the workout and that's a little too difficult, what you can do is drop that down to 30 seconds on and a 30-second rest, so a 1-to-1 ratio. Also, I will say, if you do like follow along, body weight, at home type workouts that are quick, I do have an entire program called Move 30-Day At-Home Program, where I'm literally your trainer for 30 days and I take you through a different 20-minute or less body weight only workout Monday through Friday. So if you're looking for a new program to start and you don't want to go to the gym yet, or maybe you're just a beginner and you want to get your feet wet first, or maybe you've been working out for a while and you just want to try something new and you want to cut down on some body fat and you want to do something that doesn't require a bunch of weight, this is a great way to go about that. So if you want to check it out for yourself, I'll just put a link to it down in the description below this video. Like I said, I'm your personal trainer right there with you every single day for 30 days to get you in the best shape possible. My mom and my dad, they're both following it right now. I think they're on their 4th round now, so they followed it 4 times, which is pretty cool. But that's not what today's video is about. I'm just saying, if you like these types of workouts, you should check out Move. But like I said, today's workout is gonna be 6 minutes. It's gonna be 6 different exercises, and I'm gonna show you each exercise right now, just so you know exactly what we're getting into, and I'm gonna show you the modifiable version, and then I'm gonna get into the workout and make it more follow along, put a timer so that you don't need to worry about a timer. But first exercise is just gonna be a body weight squat. Body weight squat obviously just looks like this. You're squatting down, throwing your butt back. Your knees can go over your toes no matter what anybody says. You wanna also drive your knees outward so that you're engaging your glutes, keep your core upright as much as possible. Now, if that's too easy, what we're gonna do, the modifiable version is going to be a body weight or a squat jump. So jump squats, so you're gonna squat down, and then at the bottom, you're gonna explode up and jump. Explode up, jump, and you're just gonna go back and forth just like that, still trying to keep your weight back on your heels, and that's gonna be the first exercise. Second one is gonna be a push-up. Obviously, you probably know what a push-up is, but it's actually going to be a knee push-up because this is the beginner version. So you're gonna be on your knees right there, hands are right below your shoulders, dropping down, elbows are down at a 45-degree angle, not flared out, pressing back up. If that's too easy, get on your toes and just do push-ups just like that. Keep your shoulders rolled back, try to engage your chest as much as possible. After that, we're gonna get into glute bridges. Move this. For these, getting into a glute bridge position, hands down by your side, and you're going to bridge up, squeezing your glutes, and that's going to be the beginner version. If you want to make this a little harder, what we're going to do is add a crunch in between each glute bridge. So bridge up, crunch, bridge up, crunch. So that's going to be the advanced version. After that, we're going to get into standing knee raises. So that's going to be right here. Just driving that knee up as high as you can, back and forth. If you want to do the advanced version, it's going to be high knees. So it's going to be like this. Driving those knees up as high as you can still. After that, we're going to get into the mountain climbers. Mountain climbers there's not really a easier version for these. You're just going to be, I guess you could go slower or faster. So this would be the beginner version, kind of like the knee raises, except you're down on the ground. You want to do the advanced version, you're just jumping back and forth, driving that knee up as much as possible, squeezing down on the abs. And then the final exercise is going to be a plank. So here we're going to be going into a plank position and just holding that right there, keeping your back nice and straight, your core engaged. I like to engage my glutes as well, and just holding that. If you want to make this a little more difficult, you can go up onto your palms and you can do plank jacks, or you're just jumping out and back in with your feet. for that round. So again, we're going 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off of each exercise. Pick whether you want to do the beginner version or the advanced version of it, and let's get into it. All right, so there you have it, a follow along 6-minute beginner HIIT workout. You don't need any kind of equipment. If you say you don't have time to work out, you're just a liar, because in 6 minutes we just got a great workout in. Also, if you're looking for a full program that takes you through upper body, lower body, HIIT circuits, Tabata, all that kind of stuff, check out the Move program, link in the description below. I'm literally your trainer every single day. You never do the same workout twice. Every single workout is 20 minutes or less, so it's good for even the busiest of busy people out there. But that's all for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this workout, if you like these types of videos, make sure that you're smashing that thumbs up button below and letting me know. Also, if you have any other video recommendations, videos you want me to make, I want to make videos that you want to see, throw it down in the comment section below and let me know. I got people monitoring the comments all day, every single day, and I'd love to hear your feedback. And last but not least, if you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel here, or the VShred YouTube channel here on YouTube, then make sure that you are joining the VShred fam. So thanks for everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this workout, and I'll see you in the next one.